Imagine turning your entrepreneurial spirit into thriving business that connects talent with opportunity every single day. Curious? Let's dive into how you can start your own staffing agency from scratch, opening doors to the world where your business is not only grows but also empowers people to build their careers while meeting the critical needs of industrial worldwide. Why staffing agency? Reason for starting a staffing agency can address a critical need in the job market. While the continuous evolution of industries and the growing demand for specialized skills, businesses often find it difficult to get the right candidates. Staffing agencies can fill this gap, serving as an essential link between skilled professionals and organizations needing their expertise. Lucrative and growing field. The staffing industry is not only just a money making venture, it's a part of the multi billion-dollar field of human resources. As technology advances and economy dynamics shift, companies are increasingly relying on temporary and flexible staffing solutions. The global staffing industry was valued at approximately 497 billion in 2022. This trend isn't confined small businesses or particular sectors. It's a global phenomenon across various industries, making it a great opportunity for entrepreneurs. Leveraging your network and knowledge. Starting a staffing agency allows you to utilize your connections and knowledge of specific industries to build a profitable business. Every sector, be it IT, healthcare, or construction, requires an effective staffing solutions that can quickly adapt to market changes by stepping into this role. You can contribute to economic growth and help people to find meaningful job opportunities, making a significant impact. Starting a staffing agency gives you the chance to make considerable economic and social impact. It's more than just about making money. It's about create value that goes beyond financial aspect, fostering a community of professionals and businesses that depends on each other to succeed. This mutual relationships makes the staffing agency business both challenging and rewarding. What you need to know to start a staffing agency. Understanding the staffing industry landscape. Identify different types of staffing services, temporary, permanent, and temp to hire. Determine the niche that matches your skill and market needs. Key components of successful staffing agency. Step up a robust recruiting process, strong client relationship management, deep understanding of employment laws and regulations, establishing strong operational foundations, develop efficient business process that support your agency mission, build an industry reputation through successful placements and positive client feedbacks, legal and regulatory considerations, understand and comply the local and federal employment laws, recognize rights and obligations regarding employee classification, wages, and benefits. Utilize advanced software for application tracking, customer relationship management, and a human resource information system. Automate and optimize operations from sourcing candidate to placing them in suitable roles. By focusing on these five areas industry knowledge, operational efficiency, legal compliances, and technological integration you can successfully launch and manage staffing agency in today's competitive job market. How? Turning knowledge into actions. Practical steps for your staffing agency. Building a solid foundation. Start by crafting a comprehensive business plan. It should reflect your vision, the market you're targeting, and your competitors, and your financial outlook. Think of it as a guiding star for your agency's growth. Marketing strategies. Develop effective marketing techniques suitable for staffing agencies. As a part of this, create a strong brand that connects with the businesses and job seekers alike. Digital marketing. Make use of digital marketing tools such as SEO, content marketing, social media to boost your online presence. Networking. Engaging in industry specific forums And networking events can also bolster your visibility and reputation. Legal requirements. Consult a legal professional who specialize in employment law to navigate your way through labor regulations. Avoiding legal problems is just as important as running your staffing agency. Licenses and insurances. Obtain the necessary licenses and insurances to protect your business from operational risk. Persistence and adaptability. Becoming a successful doesn't happen overnight. It requires a patience, adaptability, and constant tweaking of your strategies based on the market feedback and your agency's performance. By following these practical steps, you can turn foundational knowledge of staffing into successful business that stands out in the competitive market. Real world success stories. An inspiring personal experience of starting a successful staffing agency can be tracked back to my own journey. With a minimal experience, I built my own agency focusing on IT sector. I recognize the high demand for specialized IT professionals and leverage this understanding to turn my startup into 11 million business. Strategic networking with the tech companies and the use of targeted marketing techniques enabled me to rapidly fill staffing voids, earning trust and repeat business from major clients. But the story does not end there. By constantly adapting myself to industry changes and demands, I further improved my business strategies. Drawing on the experience and lessons learned over the years, I managed to expand my business ever further, generating an impressive 11 millions in revenue. This proves that how preservedness and the ability to learn from early challenges can pave the way for remarkable achievements. In a similar vein, take an example of Sarah. She faced numerous adversities when she opened her construction recruiting firm. Initially, she struggled with the client acquisition and regulatory hurdles. However, she took these challenges in her stride, learning from them and adjusting her business model accordingly. While enhancing her compliance procedures, Shara persistence eventually paid off, with her agency become a preferred vendor for several construction providers, showcasing how early setbacks can lead significant accomplishment. These stories not only show that success is possible with the right strategy and mindset, but also highlights the importance of resistance and adaptability in the staffing industry. Whether it's overcoming initial hurdles or finding a niche in a competitive market. These real world examples serve a powerful motivation for new entrepreneurs embarking on their own staffing agency ventures. Sealing the deal. Why start staffing agency? Let's go back and revisit what we discussed. Starting a staffing agency is a great opportunity to impact the job market. It allows you to connect talent individuals with the companies that need their skills. The starting company is not just about filling the gap, it's about meeting a growing demand for a flexible, specialized workspace. As a business and industry evolves, there's an increasing need of staffing services that can quickly and effectively adapt to these changes. By starting your own staffing agency, you are entering industry worth millions, billions dollars, and it has a vast potential of growth. The journey of staffing agency can be challenging. It involves understanding the complexities of the staffing landscape, implementing strategy businesses practices, and navigating legal requirements, but it's worth it in the end. And personal success stories like mine determines the potential for success in this industry. I was able to grow my business to $11 million in 8 years. Similarly, Sarah's story shows her resilience can help overcome early setbacks. Apart from the financial rewards, starting a shopping agency gives you a satisfaction of playing a key role in shaping careers, in helping business to grow. With the right approach, you can build a staffing agency that stands as a testament to your entrepreneurial spirit and dedication. Remember, every large company started as a small startup. And every significant journey starts with the courage to take the first step. That's why I believe starting a staffing agency is a great idea. It's not just about the potential financial gain, it also about contributing positively to the job market and making a difference in the workspace. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. Also, join our Recruit Elite community for free resources like sample contract templates and connect with other ambitious recruitment entrepreneurs. Find the link in the comment.